Welcome back to New Automotive Time, where automotive excellence comes to life on your screen. And today, we have something truly stunning, the all-new 2026 Mercedes-Benz S-Class Coupe. From its jaw-dropping design to its futuristic technology, this isn't just a car, it's an experience. Let's start up front. The 2026 S-Class Coupe stares at you with aggressive, full LED matrix headlights, each sculpted like a piece of jewelry. A new Panamericana grille with vertical chrome slats dominates the front, giving it that signature AMG boldness. Flanked by sculpted air intakes and a low, wide stance, the car doesn't whisper luxury, it screams presence. Move to the side and you'll see a silhouette that's pure elegance in motion. The long, sweeping roofline flows seamlessly into the narrow rear deck. Classic coupe proportions refined for the future. Flush door handles and aerodynamic creases complete the look. Not only is it beautiful, it's also shaped by the wind. Now, let's talk about the rear. It's absolutely stunning. Sleek OLED taillights stretch across the back, forming a visual signature that feels like it's straight out of a sci-fi movie. Below, quad exhaust tips embedded in a sculpted diffuser hint at the power beneath. Elegant and aggressive, a rare combination that Mercedes has pulled off here. Under the hood, the car can be equipped with Mercedes' newly refined 4.0L twin-turbo V8, which produces up to 612 horsepower in the AMG S63 Coupe variant. Paired with a 9-speed automatic transmission and 4MATIC Plus all-wheel drive, the Grand Tour can go from 0 to 60 in under 3.5 seconds. A luxury coupe that can put supercars to shame at the turn signal. Step inside, and welcome to a technological sanctuary. The 2026 S-Class Coupe features a large OLED center display, which floats above a minimalist dashboard wrapped in quilted leather and ambient lighting. Every touchpoint is pure luxury. Metallic switchgear, suede ceiling bolsters, and optional Maybach-grade rear seats. And of course, it comes with Mercedes' latest MBUX system with AI-powered voice control and Level 3 autonomous driving support. So what's the verdict? The 2026 Mercedes-Benz S-Class Coupe is art on wheels. It combines performance, prestige, and pioneering technology in a way that few can. Whether you're cruising down the Autobahn or heading to a party, this coupe doesn't just show up, it looks the part. Like what you see, hit the like button, subscribe for more premium car content, and let us know in the comments. Is this the best looking coupe of 2026? Until next time, it's the cars of the future, one review at a time.